Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Solvers. Here we want to simplify the expression here, where we have square root of a to the power of 10 plus 4 to the power of 10 over a to the power of 4 plus 4 to the power of 11. I think this is a good question for those who are preparing for GRE or GMAT. The difficulty level of this problem is hard, and we have shown that here by this red color, making it easier for you to browse among the videos and find those which are more interesting and suitable. Okay, let's see how can we solve this. The basis here is 8 and 4, all right, and we know that we can rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3 and 4 as 2 to the power of 2. And this means we can rewrite all the bases in terms of powers of 2. Okay, so let's see how can we do it. This equals, well, everywhere we have 8, I will replace that by 2 to the power of 3. So we have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 10 plus, and everywhere we have 4, we can replace that by 2 to the power of 2. And this to the power of 10. Okay. And in denominator, we can do the same, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 11. Okay. And we know whenever we have a to the power of b to the power of c, this equals a to the power of b times c. So this equals 2 to the power of 3 times 10, which is 30, plus 2 to the power of 2 times 10, which is 20. And in denominator, we have 2 to the power of 3 times 4, which is 12, plus 2 to the power of 2 times 11, which is 2 to the power of 22. And now all the bases are in terms of powers of 2, okay? So this would help me to factor out the largest power of 2 in both numerator and denominator. If I do that, then we would have square root of, well, here we can factor out 2 to the power of 20, 20, and what is left is 2 to the power of 10 plus 1, and in denominator, if I factor out 2 to the power of 12, what is left is 1 plus 2 to the power of 10. Okay, and I think now it's obvious that this expression here and this expression here, both are the same, so they cancel out each other. And I can rewrite this as square root of 2 to the power of 20 over 2 to the power of 12. And generally, when we have this, I can take this denominator up and then subtract the exponents. What does that mean? That means I can rewrite this as square root of 2 to the power of 20 minus 12. Okay, and this equals 2 to the power of 8. And well, we know when we have a square root of, let's write it here, when we have a square root of a to the power of b, this equals a to the power of b over 2. Then we can get rid of square root. If I do that, I will have 2, okay, not very nice, 2 to the power of 8 over 2, which is 2 to the power of 4, and this equals 16. So this is the final answer that we were looking for, and that means this is the right choice for this question.